How to turn off double opt-in in Klaviyo. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will discuss the double opt-in option and how to actually turn it off. Basically, what the double opt-in is, pretty much when people subscribe to your email campaign and so on, they should be subscribed immediately after their first initial form completion and so on. But with double opt-in, instead of it being only once where they just fill in the information and subscribe, double opt-in makes it so that they also will send out an email to them so that they can confirm that they actually want to subscribe. So just as an insurance, so that are you sure you want to subscribe? It's that sort of thing. And now for people that actually have a lot of contacts and have also like spam bots and so on, this is actually fantastic and is actually very good because a lot of people can just subscribe without even having to like think about it. They just do it anyway, and they don't even become like active with you, and that's a good way to get rid of them with a double opt-in. But if you're just getting started, this could actually hurt you. So how do we actually turn it off? So we first want to sign into our Klaviyo account here, and then we want to locate audience and go to the lists and segments. Now in here, we will have the lists that we have, so preview list, email list, and so on. You will need to locate the list that you want to turn off the double opt-in for. So I'm just going to use the email list as an example. So just go ahead and click on the list that you want. And then in here, we are just going to skip all of this and go to the settings option on the top right here. So just go ahead and click on settings. And then here you will have list details and so on. We don't really want any of this. What we want is the consent option here at the left panel. Click on consent. And then here, if you just go down a little bit, you will find opt-in process. Choose how people subscribe to the list. Double opt-in is recommended to help prevent invalid and malicious contacts from subscribing, just like I explained before. And this is actually going to be the default option in Klaviyo, which is going to be the double opt-in is turned on. But you can feel free to just go ahead and do single opt-in. And we are pretty much turning off the double opt-in now. So now you will need to realize whoever actually subscribes right away from the form is going to be counted as a subscriber right away. They won't get an email to confirm whether they want to subscribe or not. So yeah, this is pretty much how to do it. We just need to go to the top here, click on save, and we are pretty much good to go. We have the double opt-in off. And again, if you just go back, you can always just go to the other lists as well. So you can just go to preview list here and just go to settings, consent, scroll down, and just go ahead and turn it off here as well, single opt-in, and click on save. And always, you can feel free to just go back and turn this on if you changed your mind. With that being said, this is pretty much how to turn off the double opt-in feature in Klaviyo. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.